Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be sharing how I kept or maintained my mini twists for 14 days and the products that I used and how my hair feels. If you're interested in that video, then please keep watching. Okay, if you have not seen my video where I actually twist my hair, please stop, save this video and go to that video so you can see how my hair looked. It looks a bit different after these 14 days, but it is moisturized nonetheless. Nonetheless is moisturized. So the product that I used initially was this right here. And this is the MICHE Peaches and Cream Limited Edition Curl Defining Cream. So love MICHE, always a MICHE stan. I think that my favorite product from them is their mousse gel perhaps, and their leave-in. But these are close seconds. So the cream, the regular cream with a little bit of hold, as you can see, if you look at my last video where I applied the product, you can see like how my hair was elongated and less fluffy than they are right now. So these are, you know, 14-day-old, 2-week-old mini twists with shrinkage. I have not done any like stretching per se. I do wear my hair back in a ponytail, but yeah, that's about it. And then to set my hair, I used this right here, and this is the Curls Sea Moss Collection Nourish and Shine Sea Moss Foam. And so I really like this to combine with a leave-in. So only with a leave-in. Solo dolo, it's a no-go for me. But I really like it. It's really moisturized, and I also use this for my edges too at the beginning of the process. So after a while, you know, you get the frizzies and the hair sticking up. I'm in corporate America, and so not saying anything about corporate America, but I like to keep, you know, my hair nice and neat and like pulled back out of my face most times. I also have content surrounding like how I wear my hair at work. So if you're interested in that type of content, then, you know, click the thumbs up, subscribe, let me know down in the comment box. But another thing that I did during the week, or during these last 2 weeks, is about every 2 days I would spray my hair with aloe juice. And that's to just kind of like revive my hair or activate the current products that were in my hair at the time. And that's just, I don't know, I just like aloe juice. Leave a comment down below if you like aloe juice. And then I started with my edges here using this, because this didn't, initially it got them sleek because, you know, your hair is like fresh and new, but then I transitioned to this Bee Girl Honey Curl Custard, and so it's very sticky, and it did what it needed to do. However, I only have a little left, and I wanted to do a video with it because I haven't done a video yet. And when I used it off camera, it gave me like a hard hold. And I am indifferent about a hard hold. I like my hair to feel soft and, you know, nice and moisturized and, you know, hydrated. And the cast, I wasn't expecting the cast when I used this. And so I'm thinking that I would maybe use less and possibly pair it with a mousse. So if you're interested in that video, please, you know, leave a comment down below. Have you tried the Bee Girl from the Dew collection? I've tried 2 of their products, which is the mousse and this. But anyway, And then another product I used on my edges was the OG Old School Main Choice Crystal Orchid Biotin Infused Styling Gel. And so this is it's turned to the Alpha collection now, and this one is the one that I was talking about in one of my previous videos where I use it on my edges, and if your hair is clean, it doesn't flake. Or like with this hair, with these products, layering, it didn't flake. But if you just probably layer it on and your hair is dirty and it doesn't mix with the products, it'll flake. So I use this, and I actually like this for my edges better than this when I'm just doing like slick backs and stuff. It still has that sticky type of consistency, but it does my hair wonders. So there's that on that. Again, I'm gonna do a 360 turn of my hair. I don't know if you can see the part, but the part is gone. And I literally did not do anything else to my hair. Like, I wore it back in a ponytail. I wore it back like this. Like this. And then sometimes I brought it back like that. And then down, and that's it. That's literally it. I did not do the roll and tuck like I thought I would do. And that's just doing this number and pinning it up and doing the same thing on this side. I actually didn't do that. Spitting everywhere. But so yeah, so all in all, this was the foundation. Well, the foundation is a deep conditioner, and I deep conditioned my hair with the Shea Moisture Manuka and Honey deep conditioner. Love that. I just bought another one actually because I'm about to be out of that. So that gives you, cleansing your hair and deep conditioning gives you the foundation of just a great wash day for me, in my opinion. And then this is solid. First impression, this is solid. Not first impression, but like I've used this on like blown out hair. So kind of initial thoughts after maybe like 3-4 uses. Love the smell as always, peaches and cream. But yeah, so if you like this video, please click the like button. Please let me know if you like this type of content. Just coming back after, you know, I've had my hair in for 2 weeks. I'm about to actually take them out today because I'm going out of town. Actually headed to Arizona. So if you're interested in, I guess, how my hair will hold up in Arizona, please let me know. I'm thinking, so before I do the blowout, because I know in the last video I said that I was going to start my blowout content. Well, Arizona is hot, so and I'm not sure about if it's humid. It's probably dry. But I'm thinking I'm gonna do this, possibly with this. So a gel and another mousse combo, like I did the last time with the slime and this. So yeah, and then give you the 5-day deal too. So if you're interested in that, please let me know down in the comment box. Please let me know if you like this content. And also my last 5 days in my perfect wash and go is getting a lot of traction. So I truly thank you if you subscribed off of that video. I see you, newbies. I see you, newbies. I see you. I see my oldie but goodies too. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for rocking with me. I'm in my groove, I feel, you know, with content. So that's so encouraging for you to like and comment and subscribe. So I appreciate you, and peace out. Okay, I'm back with, I wasn't intending on showing this, but it looks really good outside of the front. Like, the definition is kind of lost and it's kind of frizzy. It's probably because I need a haircut and like there's breakage, but this is a vibe. So the mini twist turned into, you know, a 2-for-1. And so I'll wear this today and then Friday. So today's Thursday, so Friday I will be definitely washing my hair. I may wash my hair tonight after work. It just depends on how I feel, but yeah. And so my hair still feels good. It still feels good, looks good. There is a bit of buildup up here, just a little bit, but it's not significant, and it's going to be, it's because I use the gel for my edges so much. But yes, so even after 14 days, my hair still feels good. It's still moisturized, it's defined because I left the twist in for 2 weeks. And then I purchased this cute headband, love this, and usually I just put it on like this, like so. And so this is how I'm wearing my hair today, so it can get my hair out of my face. But yeah. No edges. I mean, I'm not doing my edges. I don't anticipate doing my edges. I'm planning on getting a massage later, so perfect. She can massage and touch all in my head, and I won't be, you know, like I just washed my hair, you know? So now this is the end of the video. Again, thank you so much for watching. Again, please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and